Hello everyone, here is Andrew 3D Model Space from Euro Model Expo 2022, and here I would like to show you this rotation platform. I ordered from AliExpress, and I'm really impressed by the quality, and in principle it's already running second day. It was running whole day yesterday. And yeah, it's with remote control and motorization. As you see, I set up it to run my Galactica model, or part of this Galactica landing bay model. And it was running like more than 10 hours yesterday and will run also today. And it's completely perfect running. I'm very much satisfied with this platform, and would definitely recommend it for those of you who would like to have such rotating setup. Small update on this rotating platform. It's running already almost whole second day, and it's really in a good shape, and it's really good and reliable. So I could really recommend it, and I will give in description the link where I have ordered it, and you are welcome to order it from there. I'm very much satisfied, and I didn't expect that it will run so long and so without any problems.